Motorsports booth, PRI 2023. You guys know that we've worked with them for years on covering new products and everything. This is one of the featured new products I showed off in another video kind of quickly. This is their 7.3 Godzilla ported cylinder head. The one that's actually out there in the case is their stage 3, I think, which includes bigger valves and everything. But this will give you an idea of what's going on. So there's your as-cast runner, which is, it's good, but you can see Livernois gets in there, cleans all that up, and then check out the exhaust. There's a big difference there. So if you're wondering what all this adds up to, get a look at the chamber. These are factory size valves, but they also have big valve options where they change the seats out and everything. With the big valves, this thing flows 390 CFM on the intake at 700s lift, not 900s lift, like 700. It'll flow 390, so pretty damn good. And then of course, you know, we've shown this off for years. Their port work on the Coyote. This is of course a Gen 3 Coyote, so you got your DI injector right there. But this is just beautiful, beautiful machine work that Livernois does. Just check that out. That is so nice. Actually, I take that back. This is Gen 4 Coyote. So, you want to know the difference between Gen 3 and Gen 4? This is obviously a Gen 4 truck Coyote because it doesn't have any cam bearings anywhere in this. It's actually, the cams are held in a separate plate that bolts on, which is good and bad. The bad being, like, this is more complicated with the displacement on demand stuff. The good being, if you smoke a camshaft bearing, now you can just change that plate. You don't have to scrap your head or go through machining and putting in little tiny Babbitt bearings or anything like that. So, but this is your Gen 4 F-150 Coyote head. Got some nice sleeves in that block. They do a lot of engine work. You guys know that. We've showed it off on the channel a lot of times. But that is great looking sleeve block. And of course, GM Mopar stuff as well. Oil pump gears. The ultimate fix for the cam phaser issue on Fords. Same thing. GM and Mopar have the same issue, sort of, with their displacement on demand. This fixes that. So Livernois has a little bit of something for just about everything in the domestic market. There's the cam phasers. But this 7.3 head, might try to go out and get a good look at the one in the new product showcase later on. It's kind of locked away though, so we might have to make that a trip to Detroit to show you the big valve version, but that is pretty. You can see, nicely cleaned up. I think that's going to be it from Livernois. Hope you guys enjoyed. Check out the stuff on the rest of the channel. We got a lot of PRI 2023 videos, and always head over to SVTPerformance.com. Links in the description below. We got all the coverage over there. Thanks for watching.